welcome back to your girl's channel. It is your girl Giselle, or you can call me Zell for short, whatever your preference is. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready makeup tutorial for today. Get ready makeup, you know, and I'm also going to be getting in an outfit today too. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get straight into this video. I'm just going to be showing you guys all the products I've been using lately to do my makeup. So let's go ahead and get started. So basically, I haven't really switched up my products like that. I've gotten some new products, but that's pretty much it. I believe I did a video with you guys and I used these two products, which is the Kevyn Aucoin concealer and then the Laura Mercier honey powder. That's really it as far as like switching up the products that I use. I'm pretty basic when it comes to makeup. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I have been using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer to apply my makeup, to use before applying my makeup. So that's just what I'm gonna go ahead and apply on my face right now. And this stuff works so good. It's so thick. It's so thick. And then what I'm going to be using to apply my foundation, the foundation that I'm going to be using is just my normal Juvia's Place foundation that I've been using. This is in the color Puta Cana, and y'all, this is a full coverage foundation. It works so good. And I just kind of been using a foundation brush to apply this on recently. I'm going to move my mirror right there so I can, there, that looks better. So, ooh, I just put some on the back of my hand, or actually, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it on the brush because nobody got time cleaning up messes and stuff. So this stuff works so good. And I have freckles, like look at that, like this covers all my blemishes, all my freckles. If you're needing a full coverage foundation, I would highly suggest getting Juvia's Place. It's a black owned business, so you're, you know, knocking two birds out with one stone. But look at that. It literally, like, this is my go-to foundation because I'm so used to like wearing like drugstore foundation. Like before I was using Juvia's Place, I was using Maybelline's because I'm not, like I said, I'm not really that big into makeup. I have been expanding my taste a little bit more recently, so you know, just splurging like on recently I have been actually spending money towards makeup, so you know, it's always good when you can find a really good product and it's affordable. I actually got this foundation for $14. There was a sale going on at Ulta, and y'all, I literally had to like get on it because I was like, what? Oh, like $14? I was like, yes, I will take it. Okay. My foundation doesn't really do justice on the camera because it looks a little orange right now. I don't know why. But hey, it's okay with me because this concealer that we're going to be using by Kevyn Aucoin actually brightens up my face pretty well. So I'm not really too worried about my under eyes right now, or how the foundation looks, because anytime that I apply my concealer on, it always balances out the colors. Just put my concealer underneath my eyes. This Kevyn Aucoin concealer, y'all, this stuff literally is so thick, okay? It's so creamy, and it just keeps my face looking super snatched. Like, it keeps everything looking really good, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm gonna bring my little mirror up a little bit closer. I have like a little mirror that I'm looking at right now to do my makeup. But I'm gonna go ahead and fill my eyebrows in. Lately I haven't really been filling them in too much. I just been kind of, you know, shaping them, really, not so much filling in. I literally got this little pencil from like the hair store. Oh, God dug it. Can't stand when I accidentally overdraw. Add like a little bit of pencil lining in the front of my brows just to kind of extend them and make them look a little bit longer than what they are. And then I just take the brush and just kind of fluff it out so it can kind of like, you can see the shade, but like it starts fading. So that's the goal. I'm gonna go ahead and take my beauty blender and blend underneath my eyes. This whole COVID stuff has literally been so crazy. Like, we have literally been in the house for the whole year. Like, I don't know if you guys were paying attention, but the time was passing, baby. Stuff was not getting done. And I honestly don't even know how to feel about it, because I'm just like dang, they literally had us in the house this whole time. I don't know how to feel about this whole COVID situation. Of course it's real, but it's like, I feel like, you know what, I'm not even gonna talk about it, because girl. And then I'm gonna go ahead and conceal underneath my eyes. Take a little bit more concealer from Kevin Kwan. This concealer is super thick, y'all, okay? Like, I literally just tapped in. Tap, tap, tap in. Gonna blend underneath the eyes. I always just make sure that I go back underneath my eyes and use the brush and kind of brush it out. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and apply some powder. I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just gonna be tapping in underneath the eyes. This stuff works so good, y'all. Like, this is literally a game changer. Like, this stuff works so good. And something that I realized I wasn't doing before, I was never really going all the way underneath my eyes. So like, oh, go ahead and apply it directly underneath my eyes, and I feel like it conceals my eyes just a bit better. Like, you see the difference? Like, this is the side I concealed under my eyes, and this is the side I didn't conceal underneath my eyes. And I feel like it looks a lot better when I do directly underneath, because I feel like it gets all the creases and it just brightens up my face a lot more when I do it like that. So yeah. The next, I'm going to be using my Black Radiance palette. This is something that I've had in my makeup collection for a very long time. I feel like this stuff just works so good. And I just take the Sculpt color, which is right here, the Sculpt color, and I just kind of get that going, and I just blend out. Like, I do my jaw, I do my cheek, I do under my face, just kind of contour, and then I also do my nose, and then also I actually bring it all the way up to my eyebrow and kind of work up into my eyebrow, so that way it looks a little bit more natural. And then I cover my eyelids up in the concealer as well. I just feel like when I do that, it does look a bit more natural, and it makes my makeup just look a little bit more better. For blush for today, I'm going to be using, actually, this is so ghetto. So I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be taking one of the colors out of here. I'm going to be taking this color right here. It's more of like a blushy kind of color, and I just added, baby, I use that as blush, okay? And it looks so good too, so it works for me. So baby, whatever floats your boat, okay? Do what you gotta do to get that face beat. And then of course I'm gonna be going in with my I cannot talk. Basically, this is a crayon case highlighter, and I have been using this for years, and this literally is still full. Like, if you're gonna be getting a highlight, I definitely would suggest going to the crayon case. This is literally still full. I only use the top of it, and it works so good. Like, it's so much product. It is so much product. Literally have been using it for years, and it still works. Like, it's just crazy, like how one product can have so much in it. Like, shout out to Super Scent, because she really did her thing when it came to this. I'm just gonna be using the Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline, and I use this as an increase, like a crease, eye crease. Literally have been using this for years as well. like I said, like all the makeup that I use, like it's been in my collection for a very long time. I don't really switch up that much because like if it's working for me, it's working for me. And like I probably do need to switch up my products, but as of right now, you know, this is what's doing it, baby. So I'm just gonna keep those same products because these same products I can trust, you know. And I'm like really relaxed right now in this chair. Like these are the products that I've been using for years, so like this is what works for me, this is what works best for me. So I don't really have a desire to switch up anything. So, and then I'm just gonna be going in with a eyeliner, and I'm just gonna be applying this underneath my eye. I feel like I haven't really been doing this as much, but I feel like recently I've been more addicted to like having under eyeliner because I just like the way that it looks. It looks really, really good. So I'm just gonna be applying that. So for my lips, I'm gonna be using the NYX matted lip liner in the color Cold Brew. Literally all I do is I take the lip liner and I line my lips. Go on top. This is just basically what I consider to be like the perfect nude lip. I take my Kevin Aucoin concealer, like what's ever left on my actual like concealing brush, and then I go in and just fill. And you don't even need a lot because this right here is a lot, okay? And I just smudge my lips together. And I'm gonna line just a little bit more. Typically what I do is I add some lip gloss over it, but yeah, I'll show you guys the lip gloss in just a second. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my eyes. I'm just gonna add some mascara and then put my lashes on, then put my lips on, and then I will be back to show you guys the rest of the look. I'm gonna be putting on an outfit on as well, so you guys will be able to see what I'm wearing for the day. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look when it comes to the makeup. I actually just decided not to wear any lashes because I'm like, I don't really see the point. I'm not really doing much today, so I'm like, I ain't gonna put on the lashes on today. So yeah, but I have this really cute dress on, which I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So this is the dress that I'm wearing. This dress is from Shein. It's so cute and girly. It's just the perfect like day dress. So I just thought this would be really cute to wear for today. So yeah, my hair looks cute. You know, my window's a little bit, I mean, my mirror's a little bit dirty, but that's okay. But yeah, that pretty much concludes this video for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next videos, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye, guys.